ride is really disgusting. Ugh. I thought the S4 was bad with leaks, you know, oil leaks. Nah, this one takes it to a whole nother level. It really does. Oh yeah. Oh. Can't believe how beautiful this engine looks now. You know, that's just with the gum out. I didn't even, you know, go over it with any black stuff. It looks like I'll have to spray in here. But, not bad. I just got to figure out where the oil leaks are. It's most likely in the valve. You really can't see. You know, I had the flashlight on it, and you can see all the disgust. But yeah, it's pretty dirty and cruddy. Let's do it. Yeah, fun stuff. I even did the wheels. What are you gonna do? I'm using gunk. You know, on Amazon it was super expensive for whatever reason, but I had to go to AutoZone. I got it. It's like between $6 and $7 compared to like freaking online. It was like 17. I saw it was like really ridiculous. Pretend it was like all over the place, and of course they never send it to you when you expect them to lately. So I just got it. Right. Still haven't really washed the body. That's just all the crud from underneath, you know, doing the gum out and stuff. Starting on the interior, you know, there's some spots there. You know what I'm gonna actually do? Magic eraser on some of this. So I got the top down. Look how disgusting this was. A lot of leaves in there and everything. You could tell it hadn't been used in a while. I don't think this top has ever been put down in manual mode because it actually had the tab in the middle where you put the tool in, which I've never seen before. That's a nice little piece there. So he did tell me that the top was working. It's a possibility, you know what I mean? Because, like I said, nobody tried to use the tool. So, you know, you have the tool in the front, and then you have the tool underneath there, and then basically you're just putting it down manually. I'm going to have to change the top. It's not a big deal. These seats will probably come out really, really nice. You know, this is just their first initial cleaning. Actually, that ski bag has never been out either. That's exactly how it goes. It's pretty cool. I actually like to take pictures of that. This is coming, there was like a pen mark here. It's coming along. Magic eraser will get like a lot of this good stuff out. I haven't done this side, really started on the passenger side. Now I'm just going to work this out and try to clean this thing up because it's really disgusting.